Welcome to MANUFAST, your one-stop solution to manufacturing and product development challenges. Today, we are going to introduce you to a game-changing concept that will revolutionize the way you approach manufacturing. Are you tired of dealing with the same old problems that have been hampering the manufacturing industry for far too long? Well, you're in luck because MANUFAST is here to change the game. You're running a manufacturing process and you constantly face challenges like hectic vendor development, managing multiple vendors, delayed quotations, unreliable delivery times, expensive manufacturing rates, low quality, and lack of accountability. It's a never-ending cycle that slows down your progress and holds you back from reaching your full potential. But worry no more, because MANUFAST is here to provide the perfect solutions for all these problems. At MANUFAST, we operate on a manufacturing as a service model. We have built a robust network of over 200 expert vendors with diverse manufacturing capabilities, located in Pune and Maharashtra. Our extensive vendor base enables us to carry out parallel manufacturing of the same part in large quantities, ensuring lightning-fast delivery times. But speed is not the only thing we offer. We prioritize quality above all else. Our dedicated team conducts rigorous quality checks on every manufactured part, guaranteeing that you receive only the highest standard of work. No more worries about receiving defective parts or compromised quality. One of the biggest advantages of partnering with MANUFAST is our well-established relationships with vendors. We maintain records of standard rates for various manufacturing processes, ensuring that we provide you with competitive rates. By constantly providing vendors with continuous work, we foster a mutually beneficial relationship that keeps costs under control. Waiting days for quotations? Not anymore. Our internal systems enable us to generate fast quotations for your manufacturing requirements. With our team of expert designers, manufacturers, industry specialists, and experienced vendors, we bring together all the necessary expertise under one roof to serve you better than ever before. Our services cater to a wide range of clients, including manufacturing companies looking for outsourcing solutions, startups in need of product development, research and development organizations seeking design solutions and prototypes, engineering colleges requiring manufacturing services, and home innovators needing assistance with designing, prototyping, and product development. Now, you might be wondering, why should I choose MANUFAST? Well, let us tell you the benefits that await you. First and foremost, you no longer need to follow up with numerous vendors. Just make one call to MANUFAST, and we'll handle everything for you. Our team will ensure that the quality of your work is double-checked, saving you from any quality-related headaches. Time is money, and we understand the value of your precious time. With MANUFAST, you can expect lightning-fast delivery, helping you stay on schedule and meet your deadlines with ease. Worried about managing additional manpower for production, design, and vendor development? Don't be. MANUFAST takes care of all that for you. Our experienced team will handle the entire process, so you can focus on what you do best. Think about the massive investment you can save by not purchasing equipment for manufacturing. MANUFAST has all types of machinery and equipment to produce goods for you. You get to enjoy the benefits without the financial burden. Transparency is crucial in any business relationship. That's why we ensure that you receive regular updates on the various stages of manufacturing and the progress of your work. Stay informed and stay in control. But it's not just customers who benefit from MANUFAST. Vendors, listen up. By partnering with us, you'll receive continuous work, improve your quality standards, expand your portfolio by working on different types of projects, and increase your digital presence. To conclude, remember this: living with manufacturing problems will not make your life any easier. If you don't act now, these problems will only grow bigger in the future. So, connect with MANUFAST and let us help you eliminate these manufacturing headaches once and for all. By streamlining the manufacturing process, you'll have extra time to research, innovate, and make faster decisions, ultimately satisfying your customers' needs and staying ahead of the competition. Thank you for watching this video. Don't let manufacturing challenges hold you back. Join MANUFAST today and unlock a world of possibilities for your business. Remember, we are here to help you every step of the way.